wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Jihan Pujalastari. I live in Cikirai, Mangkubumi. I am second semester student at University Dina Sarana Informatika. I am studying in the Information System study program. In the occasion, I will present about hardware and inside the computer. Number 1, hardware. Hardware is all the physical component of a computer that can be seen touched directly. Example, keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, RAM, SSD. Function hardware, input, process, storage, output. Function hardware. Number 1, input. Input in the process of entering data or comments into a computer so that it can be processed by the system. 2. Process. The state of processing data that has been entered input by the computer into usable information. 3. Storage. Storage in the part of the computer that function to store data, files, and program so that they can be used. 4. Output. Output is the result of data processing carried out by the computer and displayed to the user. Next, example hardware. Example of hardware are developed based on their function, such as keyboard for input, monitor for output, and CPU for processing. Input device, example keyboard mouse. Output device, example printer monitor. Storage device, example HDD SSD. Inside the computer. Inside the computer is the inside of the computer, namely the components that are inside the CPU and are not visible from the outside. Motherboard, main component of a computer. Motherboard, the main board where all the components are connected. CPU, the brain of a computer that processes data. RAM, temporary storage while the computer is working. Hard disk atau SSD or SSD, permanent data storage. Power supply, permanent supply electricity to all components data storage. VGI atau VGU, processing graphic display. Cooling fan, keep the computer temperature stable. Simple flow. The number 1 input, next process, next output, next storage. The relation between hardware and inside the computer. Hardware refers to all the physical component of a computer, while inside the computer is the hardware inside the computer case. Component inside the computer, such as the motherboard, process, RAM, and storage, work together to carry out the computer's primary function. Therefore, inside the computer is a crucial part of hardware because it plays a role in processing, storing, and operating the computer system. Conclusion: hardware and the inside of the computer are essential components of the computer system. Hardware refers to all the physical device that can be seen and touched, while the inside of the computer possesses the main components within the computer, such as the processor, motherboard, RAM, and storage. All of these components work together to receive input, process data, store data, and produce output, ensuring the computer for function.
Labana, are you ready?